The Second Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, ratified in 1791 as part of the Bill of Rights, states, "A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed." This concise yet impactful statement has been at the heart of legal, social, and political debates for over 2 centuries due to its ambiguous wording and differing interpretations. Historically, the framers included the amendment in a context where the young nation had recently relied on colonial militias to gain independence from British rule. Distrustful of standing armies which they associated with oppression, they envisioned a defense system based on citizen militias composed of armed individuals to protect against external threats and internal tyranny. Interpretations have evolved into two primary views. The collective rights view suggests the amendment was intended to protect the state's rights to maintain militias, linking the right to bear arms directly to militia service. The individual rights view, gaining prominence in the late 20th century, argues that it guarantees each citizen's right to own firearms independent of militia involvement. This perspective was significantly bolstered by the Supreme Court's decision in District of Columbia v. Heller 2008, which ruled that individuals have the right to possess firearms for lawful purposes like self-defense within the home. In contemporary society, the Second Amendment is central to the gun control debate. Advocates for gun rights see it as a fundamental protection against government overreach and emphasize individual self-defense. Conversely, proponents of gun control argue that widespread firearm availability has led to increased gun violence and call for regulations, like background checks and restrictions on certain weapons. The challenge remains to balance constitutional rights with public safety, a debate that continues to evolve in the courts, legislatures, and public discourse.